Frekvenca za logistiko Slovenskega logističnega združenja.
So, Mr. Konstantinos Vassilakos.
Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, your presentation has a title, Efficient Distribution Network Design and Automation in Delivery Best Practice Case.
Exactly.
So, tell us about this best practice.
Okay, I'm Konstantinos. I'm from Greece. I'm general manager of Mouhalis Group. Mouhalis Group is the leader distributor in tobacco products in Greece. It's also exclusive distributor of Philip Morris PMI and IQOS products. So we have a big experience in logistics. We are serving about 10,000 customers per day. On the other hand, we have another retail operation, convenience stores, called kiosks, which we are going to present also today in the Congress. With kiosks, we make a new phygital network by combining physical stores and quick commerce delivery direct to the consumer within 20 minutes. Just before 6 months COVID effect in our country, in Greece, we started to design this new business, and we were the first company during the COVID effect, because it is very important that in Greece, which we deliver in 20 minutes all the food and non-food products, grocery and non-food, to the consumer. That was also our success.
During the COVID, because
the
shops were not open.
The shops were not open. All the consumer wants, the demand was increasing, and they wanted in half an hour delivery to their homes all the products.
And the roads were empty.
The roads were empty, so we decrease also the fuel consumption. We improve the utilization of the fleet. And as for goals, after 3 years, the whole operation of kiosks was acquired by a big German company, Delivery Hero, which is the largest company worldwide in delivery services.
So how did you achieve that quick delivery?
The main critical thing is the design, the density, first of all, of the stores. So first of all, we had to find the best location inside the Greek territory. The second thing, which is very important, is to find ways to optimize the last mile operation, meaning decreasing the time, decreasing the drivers that you need, your fleet, and make efficient the whole delivery. And of course, big data analysis, it's very important. So you can transforming from data complexity to actionable insights in order to have a data-driven decision to the management.
In real time?
In real time, of course. On this journey, we have the support of a Greek software company, intelligent company, Telenevis, which we are going to present also together, the project, who support us a lot on the field of routing, picking, all the back logistics that we need.
What is the length of the way from the shop to the customer? Is this limited? Is this 20 kilometers or?
Maximum 2.5 radius as a kilometer, maximum. It depends of the traffic also. Our quick commerce based only in motorcycles, not car. So we have a small basket from 50 euro up to 100 euro deliveries. That was the success also. Otherwise, if you are using a car, you have more time to deliver.
And you are with this delivery also eco-friendly?
Yes, we have electric motorcycles, so we reduce also the consumption.
How much was the increase in the per capita increase of the money, of the turnover?
Sorry?
How much was the increase of the money you made?
We sold the whole operation around 15 times the EBITDA, the annual EBITDA. It was booming because we was on the right time into the market because of the COVID. We were the first company that make the quick commerce. After a lot of big supermarkets like Ahold, traditional big supermarkets, try to have also delivery, but not in 20 minutes.
So is the number of the articles you sell and you deliver limited?
Yes.
To which number?
Sorry?
How is it limited? To which number?
Limited?
A limited number of articles you sell.
Okay, of SKUs.
Yes.
Maximum a basket of €100.
Interesting. So
Yes.
it's paid, prepaid, or paid by delivery?
Paid through the e-commerce platform, with credit card or with cash also, door to door.
Do you use any artificial intelligence?
Unfortunately, at that moment, AI was not so popular in Greece. The last 1 year, we starting working with AI models, so we didn't work with AI.
But nowadays?
Now, yes, we're trying to include to our system AI platforms like ChatGPT, like others that are already in the market.
So was this a startup?
The company was since 2010, but this operation, let's say, it was a startup inside a current company, the quick commerce business.
And you sold that business?
Yes, we sold the whole network, physical stores, and the whole quick commerce to Delivery Hero, a German national company worldwide.
Why did you sell it?
They wanted to buy because in Greece, the main food aggregator marketplace called eFood, which belongs to Delivery Hero, and they would like to expand also to the grocery products, because through our network we have grocery products, tobacco, grocery, food, non-food also, and they wanted to expand. So we decided that was a very good opportunity for us to liquidate our value in the market. And now it's operating much more in Greece because the new company expanded the business.
So how did the logistic change in these 10, 20 years?
I think after COVID, we have a rapid change in logistics technologies with AI also. Traditionally, Greece is a logistics center based on geographical also positioning with the ports. But the last 5 years, we believe that they expand very, very much.
So if we see the global picture, what is the future of logistics? Having small companies selling and traveling just for 20 kilometers in a circles, or having big logistics companies?
Frankly speaking, I cannot imagine the future of logistics because before 1 year we cannot imagine that we are going to have a war in European Union also, or all this territory situation to Africa with the Houthis and all this stuff. Logistics has two pillars. One pillar is the physical, let's say, operation, ships, trucks, all these things. And I think the other pillar is AI and digital transformation. So both of them, they are going to make the new generation of logistics. You cannot say that only technology or only the physical, processes are going alone.
Nowadays, what we hear on the Congress is a big problem for European companies, or especially Slovenian, this reporting on ESG, ecological, social, governmental reporting. I mean, ecological report.
Regulations.
Yeah, and regulations.
Yes.
How big problem is that for Greece companies?
I think it's the same problem
Mhm.
So all the companies are trying to adapt on these new regulations.
Mhm. So, where do you see Greece in this Adriatic region? Do you see it connected with Serbia, Bosnia?
Should be connected. Yes, I
Uh-huh.
think that traditionally Greece is a main connector based on its territory, ports, Mesogeian Sea, and all this, and
Mhm.
should connect with all Balkans.
Are you the member of ELA, of European Logistic Association?
No,
Why not?
as a person or as a
No, as a as a Greece,
as Greece, yes,
yeah.
I think yes, I think
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
I think yes.
Uh-huh. Okay, you're not sure.
I'm not sure. Yes, so you have not sure. I cannot answer.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm specialized to new technologies.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
And the
in
small
commerce.
business.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Small
So you are basically on the side of the people and the businesses that actually need logistic.
business development and logistics.
Yeah, not
yes,
the business
Yes,
that do logistic.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly,
So,
exactly.
what is your demand when you search for logistic? What do you want logistic to be?
Accuracy,
Uh-huh.
on-time delivery,
Mm-hmm.
efficiency. I think that those words are very
Yeah.
important.
What about the final consumers? Are they savvy in digitalization? Are they in WhatsApps, or how do they actually buy and
I think
receive?
yes, I think that I said before that COVID
Mhm.
changed also the behaviors to the consumer. So they want everything to their doors and in a very short time. So
Mhm.
they use now to use online e-commerce and online applications in order to buy.
Mhm.
So that is the reason in Greece, as far I know, we have decreased the retail stores. So a lot of industries like clothing also and apparel,
Mhm.
they start decreasing the retail physical stores and they starting working more on online
Mhm.
store.
Mhm. But
This is the
nevertheless,
trend.
yeah.
This is the trend now
in-
for
in-
some industries, of course.
Okay. So, is this your first time on the
Yes,
Congress?
it's my first time here
So,
in
do you have any
in
comments on
Slovenia.
Slovenia?
It's a
Yeah.
beautiful country.
Mhm.
Beautiful country. For sure, I will come again for vacation. The Congress is very excited, and I saw a lot of people here that they have a know-how about logistics.
Mhm.
So I will try to have connections with Greece also to make
Mhm.
some business here.
Mhm. Did you learn anything new? Did you hear something new?
A lot of things.
Yeah.
I saw many Slovenian companies specifically for robotation and automations.
Mhm.
A lot of things. And congratulations for this.
Mhm. So the best practice was this, as you presented, or you are going to present. What are the biggest challenges?
The biggest challenge was
Yeah.
how we can combine physical stores with online.
Mhm.
Two words. That was the most challenging for us. And how we can deliver in 20 minutes to the
Mhm.
people.
So, Mr. Konstantinos Vassilakos,
Yes.
thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure for me also.
Thank you.